Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. This is the first way of checking the IMEI number. Let's tap on this keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So let's tap on settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. And as you can see, here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. If you wish, you can tap on them to check. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.